that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu distributed the holy name freely without any consideration. He is comparing himself to be a gardener, where he has carefully sown the seeds which are now not only growing creepers but fructifying, and these fruits of the holy name, that is the love of Godhead, is so profusely being distributed without any qualification. So we should participate in the program of distributing the holy name through the World Holy Name Week, and try our best to fulfill the order of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He wants us to speak about Lord Krishna's instruction. Jare dekha tare kaha Krishna upadesh, hamare agya guru hona tari desh. So what is this Krishna upadesh? Krishna himself is telling that always glorifying my super excellent activities which are embedded within that qualitative names, and these names are the only means for this Kali Yuga to make a tangible benefit for the whole world. And therefore it is the humble duty of anyone and everyone who is entering or participating in the Sankirtan movement, the army of Sankirtan. They must chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra so loudly that the whole world will be resounding it. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.